Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashpika, the channel where we make content about jewelry, tutorials, everything about the jewelries, right? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful ring bracelet or whatever you call it, but this is the bracelet that is we made from the silicone and from the wire element. So I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful bangle bracelet. So let's dive into today's tutorial. Before we go, consider clicking like button, guys. I do appreciate that. If you want more such video future, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever I'm gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. Or if you're looking for jewelry templates or jewelry ideas, then I have an entire PDF download with contain top of my best 100 jewelry ideas, which you can very well take a printout of it. You can use them as an ideas, or you can print out of it, can take a printout of it and actually use them as a template. The link is in description box below. Without further ado, let's get started with today's tutorial. metal wire bracelet. It's very beautiful. It's a ring bracelet or a Bengal bracelet, whatever you call it. This is the end result. Hopefully you find it useful. Find this tutorial useful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do you want more such ring bracelet DIY tutorials? I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much for tuning in this video. I'll gonna see you in the next one. Take care. Bye guys.